Uh, Hi all, this is Chungsoo Kim from Aju University, and first of all, thank you for giving me a chance for presenting our project here. And in this presentation, I will share the brief progress of the Apec data quality study. Uh, as you know, one of the main hurdles of CDM adoption is data quality control. Uh, Current data quality assessment tools include the Apec and the data quality dashboard, which calculate comprehensive metric based on rule. However, data quality assessment is conducted only in individual sites, and information on quality is not disclosed. Uh, the CDM inspection report is a useful tool developed by the OHDSI Europe and Ethan community, uh, which can write general information about the converted data statistics, mappings, and quality checks in the form of a report. Through this metadata on the OMOP CDM can be collected and contributed to the advancement of data quality, and the further can be used as reference material by other institutions. Therefore, we aim to collect these CDM inspection reports from Apec collaborators. Uh, this is for checking our current status of CDM convergence and getting insight from the CDMs and improving our data quality. Uh, Finally, we are planning to disclose our status to other researchers who want to know about the basic quality status of each CDM. The CDM inspection package collects the several counts and mapping rates of from the CDM database. In the case of drugs, the detailed mapping information is collected, and to check how mapping is performed in other databases. And we revised this CDM inspection package slightly for the Apec folks and disseminated it to study participants. We are intending to run this package with 30 databases in the Apec region. And until now, we have obtained results for 21 EHR data from Korea and 2 Japanese claims from IQVIA and Janssen, and 1 EHR data from Australia and 1 EHR from China. And I'm in contact with a national insurance service in Korea for collaborating using this their national claim data. And the other EHRs are expected to be converted around this summer. So those will be carried out in the next quarter. Looking at the data collected until now, there were 36 billion records in Apec databases. This was data from 48 million persons. In the data, measurement was about 30% of the total, and cost was 21%, drug was 10%, and condition was only about 6%. In Korea, cost data is not well utilized yet, so its importance has not been highlighted. However, in reality, it occupies a large portion of the Apec data. The mapping ratio gives us our next direction of mapping task. While condition and drug were mapped at a high rate, the mapping rate of measurement or measurement value, which occupied the most of data, but it was still very low. So those are our next priority. If you look at the table below, you can see that mapping was in progress by brand name in many places. As we gathered these reports, we were able to have many discussions with the data officers of each institution. We were able to hear and understand their difficulties with data conversion and quality control. In addition, we were able to confirm quality issues that they were not aware of. During our conduct of this study in this year, it is hoped that a material is made that can be referenced by collaborators that wants to convert of CDM in the future. So we plan to, therefore, we plan to develop some metrics or indicators that can be referenced, and it would be really great to collaborate with those who are interested in. And thank you for listening to my presentation. And if you have any question or comments, or if you have interested in this study, please let me know and email me through this email address. Thank you.